If you're looking to reduce your intake of white sugar, there are several healthier alternatives that can be used in cooking and baking. Here are some popular options. 1. Honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that is sweeter than white sugar, so you can use less of it. About 1/2 to 2-3 cup of honey can replace 1 cup of white sugar. It also offers health benefits, such as boosting the immune system and potentially improving sleep quality. 2. Maple syrup. Maple syrup is another natural sweetener that contains antioxidants and minerals like calcium and potassium. It can be used in baking, but it's important to reduce the amount of liquid in recipes when substituting it for sugar. You can cut your sugar consumption by about 33 when using maple syrup. 3. Coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is derived from the sap of coconut palms and is considered a healthier option due to its lower glycemic index compared to white sugar. It retains some nutrients found in the coconut, making it a more nutritious choice. 4. Date sugar. Made from dried and ground dates, date sugar is a nutritious alternative that adds fiber and minerals to your diet. It has a unique flavor that can enhance various recipes, although it may not dissolve as easily as white sugar. 5. Agave nectar. Agave nectar is sweeter than sugar and has a lower glycemic index, making it a popular choice for those looking to manage blood sugar levels. However, it is still high in fructose, so moderation is key. 6. Brown sugar. While not significantly healthier than white sugar, brown sugar contains some minerals due to the presence of molasses. It has a slightly lower calorie content and can add a richer flavor to baked goods. 7. Stevia. Stevia is a natural, zero-calorie sweetener derived from the leaves of the stevia plant. It is much sweeter than sugar, so only a small amount is needed. It does not raise blood sugar levels, making it a suitable option for diabetics. Incorporating these alternatives can help you reduce your white sugar intake while still enjoying sweet flavors in your meals and snacks.